Hi, welcome to the SEO Cape Town guide to autocomplete. So, in this guide, we're going to look at how to use autocomplete as a tool for SEO for identifying longer tail search queries that are definitely being searched by people and then attributing them to the different stages of the buying cycle in order to create content and be more topically relevant. Before we start, this video is designed to be watched with the SEO Cape Town guide to autocomplete. So please find that guide in the description below. So let's jump in. The example we use in the guide, in the SEO Cape Town guide, is lawnmowers. So, for instance, at the awareness stage of the buying cycle, the person would use what, how, when answers. So, what is the best lawn mower for uneven ground, as an example, and then it will, then it would give the person an idea of which lawnmowers work. Okay, or you could go, which is the best lawnmower for a large garden? Is another one. Okay, the idea here is that the person's just becoming aware of the issue, so they just start thinking and prodding along what they actually are looking for. Now, the next stage would be the consideration stage, which would be, um, for instance, ride on lawn mower versus a zero turn lawn mower. Okay, and there you can see zero turn mowers while clocking in at the highest cost. Then a riding mower can mow your lawn faster and more efficiently, while a riding mower has a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour. A zero turn mower can provide you with around 8 miles per hour. So really, the consideration stage, the person's looking for options. So now we have two and they're comparing it. The next stage would be the intent stage. So now let's pretend I chose the ride on. Best ride on lawnmower. So I left. In you just go, for instance, the best ride on lawnmower in South Africa. There we go. And now we would start seeing brands. Now this is where really the sort of brands take the center stage and the main differentiation and the conversion optimization. The next would be the purchase stage, which would be ride on lawnmower prices, South Africa. Okay, so now we're looking at the prices, and this is really strong, really deep down the buying cycle. The person's about to buy. Now, let's say they've bought it. How could we then structure content to continue to draw our customers back to the site? So then we could go ride on lawnmower, blade, instance there, blade replacement, removal direction, removal tool. So here we can start looking at crafting content that people are definitely searching for at the post-purchase stage to bring the people back so that we can enter the repurchase stage. So I hope I've shown you how we can use autocomplete to show what people have actually searched, because that's why Google completes it for us. And we can use it to structure content for different stages of the buying cycle, allowing for more topical relevance. And please stay tuned for the next SEO Cape Town guide.